Roosevelt was the 32nd President of the United States of America. He served for president more than 12 years. He was elected for president 4 times. He became president in the Great Depression. Roosevelt created programs so people could pay for the food and houses. When World War II began, Roosevelt was the president. Roosevelt was a strong leader during the Great Depression and World War II.